Welcome back to our school, Sri Veda the Universe School. Already you got 2 classes. Are you understanding what I am saying? The capital alphabet, the small letter alphabet. Are you doing your homeworks? Very good. I know all of you are very good children. And even the new students who have come from the remaining schools, are you understanding what I am saying? Yes, very good. So, first in the first class you have learned the capital letters. In the second class you have learned the small letters. What are we going to do today? We are combining the capital letter and small letter. We are writing the capital letter and the small letter together. So, let us see. So, all of you learn now writing the capital letter. Capital letters always you write using the first 3 lines. A. Now, small letter A. If we write like this, you can see which letters will touch which lines. Why we are writing all this one? I know all of you know already the alphabet. But why we are writing? So that you can neatly write using the 4 rules. So, just observe which letters will touch which lines. So, capital A and small a. After that, don't forget to use your finger to give a finger space. Then again we'll write B, capital B and small b. Very good. When you are writing small b, remember that you are writing this inverted C towards your right hand side. And again give a finger space. Then we are writing C and small c. Here when we are writing C, it is only the difference between the capital C and the small c is only the size. Capital C is big in size and small c is small in size. That's the only difference. And after that again give a finger space and then we are writing D. And small d. Small d is the reverse of B. Means we are writing a line and we are writing the inverted C towards your left hand side. Again we are giving a space and then which letter children? Very good. It is E and small e. Small e when we are writing we are using only the center 2 lines. After again give a space F. F and small f. Again G and small g. Yes, yesterday I told you when we are writing G, we are coming down and touching the bottom line. After G, what letter children? Yes, it is H and small h. Now, after H, which letter? I. How we write I? Yes, this is how we write capital I. And the small I only in the center 2 lines, just a line and a point. Then after I it is J. Don't forget to give the space children. J and small j. See, capital J is in the first 3 lines. Small j is in the next 3 lines, bottom line. J. Then it is K, capital K and small k. Yes. These K, when we are writing K, we are using only the first 3 lines. After K, again space L. Capital L and small l. Next it is M. M. When we are writing M, you have to see that we are touching here. The center line also has to come and touch the line. I see some of you writing like this, M. Don't write like this. You learn to write like this. And again, small m, only in the center 2 lines, M. Then it is again N and small n. M, N. Next which letter children? O. Yes. Again like C, capital O and small o, it is only the difference in the size. It's the same, but we just write small one. After O it is P. Very good. P and small p. Then it is Q. Q, small q. Usually children get confused between the P and Q, like B and D. These are called the mirror images. So, Q. After Q, which letter children? It is R. R. Capital R is like that, you have learned. And small r is like this, only in the center two lines. After R it is S and small s. Again like O, this one also is only the difference in the size. Capital S and small s, they look the same. S after it is T and small t. This is how we write T and small t. T, after T it is what, children? U. U and small u. For small u we give this line down. U after it is V. Small v. Here also it is only the difference in the size for the capital letter and the small letter. V after it is W. Even W is just the difference in the size. They look the same. When we are writing on the single line, we have to be very careful so that capital letter we write in big size and small letter in small size. Then it is X. X also just a difference in the size. Next it is Y. See, for Y. Y again, capital Y is in the first three lines and small y will come and touch the bottom line. And the last letter is Z. Very good. Again Z also, just capital Z is big and small z is small. So this is how we write. If we write like this, you can find the difference between the capital letter and the small letter. So what are these ones called? Alphabet. What we are learning, A to Z are called the alphabet, and this is how we write. With this class we finish writing the alphabet. So I want you to practice very well to write in the lines. So what is today's homework? All of you are writing like this, no? So you again take out your 4-rule book, and this is how you are going to write your homework. Again you will put the heading the alphabet. You have to write the date, and then you write 3 times for homework. You can practice more, but 3 times is the homework. You take a picture and send for us. We'll correct for you your homework. And that's for today, children. I hope all of you enjoyed this class and understood. And all of you, goodbye and have a nice day.